Are you looking for the best multi-cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best multi-cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cuisinart Cook Central 6-Quart Multicooker. I want something to look great when it sits on my countertop for hours. This cooker, true to the Cuisinart brand, is sleek and has a brushed metal exterior. Popular functions like sautéing, browning and steaming are all offered with one-touch operations, and a perfect fit stainless steamer and roasting insert comes in the box, making it easier when the stove is full on holidays and large gatherings. I was impressed that Cuisinart added a simmer function among the standard high, low and warm settings, all of which can be controlled for up to 24 hours. I really like the double set of handles, one on the body and another for removing the insert, and both stayed cool throughout my tests. I love the light weight of the aluminum insert. It was just as simple to move around when it was empty and full of stew. The inset lid was secure during cooking and could stay put in transport if you use the insert alone for serving. The non-stick coating inside the vessel makes it a dream to clean by hand and in the dishwasher. The lid is also dishwasher safe, and the exterior needed only a wipe, although I thought the display never looked as tidy as I wanted. The oblong shape of the cooker made it perfect for large cuts of meat, multiple pieces of chicken and large batches of chili. I appreciated the cool exterior, even at the height of cooking, making it less worrisome when curious small hands run wild. Priced in the middle of our overall range, this cooker deserves a spot in any kitchen. Capacity, 6 quarts, dimensions, 11-inch x 18W x 10.5H, dishwasher safe, yes. Number 2. Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker and Programmable Slow Cooker. If you want a big unit that can handle a couple of tasks at once, this is your slow cooker. The Crock-Pot MultiMeal is a genuinely versatile cooker with the unique double pot design. I tested it with both sides cooking at different times, one side for cooking alone, and then used the dual sync feature to cook both sides on the same schedule without having to set both. I found it was nice to have a protein on one side and a side or soup on the other, both with over 3-quart volume. I also liked that no corners were cut with other functions, and this cooker also sears, steams, cooks rice and bakes. The clear lids are flat with stay-cool knob handles, great for any size of hand. The non-stick aluminum inserts are light, but take note that they do not have handles for removing them individually, meaning you will either serve from the whole cooker or transfer to another vessel. I was disappointed I couldn't change out the 2 inserts for a large, 8-quart cooking pot. Wilting the spinach would have been easier, as navigating the smaller sides meant working in batches. A little steeper in price than many other models, this large cooker also has a generous footprint which can be challenging for storage, though the multiple cooking pots hold a lot of value for those that love slow-cooked meals. Capacity, 8 quarts, dimensions, 12.25-inch x 18W x 9.25H, dishwasher safe, yes. Number 3. Instant Superior Cooker 7.5 QD Slow Cooker. I love the functionality of this slow cooker from the Instant line. It is extra large, with a 7.5-quart capacity, allowing for large cuts of meat in a whole 5-pound chicken. The sear function meant I could brown my meat in the pot without having to lose any precious fond to another pan on the stove, and a handy steam function would allow me to make sides or salmon without touching my stove, made even easier with a silicone steam basket included with the unit. This cooker's lightweight and thinner metal materials gave me a poor first impression of cheaply made but won me over with how light the machine was full and empty. My pork was fork tender and shredded easily, the stew cooked beautifully, and wilting the spinach was no challenge. The non-stick ceramic-coated aluminum cooking pot has handles separate from the base for easily moving it to clean or serve. A handy silicone snap-on lid is included with the cooker, making it easier to transport or store in the refrigerator, so you do not have to soil another vessel. I like the clear digital panel with many one-touch functions and the option to set my own time and temperature. Dishwasher safe, the lid and cooking pot virtually wiped clean, and the outer base shined up with a damp cloth. Capacity, 7.5 quarts, dimensions, 15.16-inch DX 14.02W X 10.24H, dishwasher safe, yes. Number 4. Brentwood Slow Cooker. Those slow cookers evoke visions of big roasts and pots of soup. The smaller ones bring tremendous value for singles, couples, or frequent entertainers. The Brentwood certainly represents the small cookers well, impressing me with its sturdy construction, lightweight, and consistently high performance. When making warm dips and sauces, I found this cooker held the temperature for over a 2-hour period. Making meals for 1 to 2 people, smaller portions of rice, and even a personal stew was easy and kind of fun in this little machine. The dishwasher-safe lid and ceramic insert made cleaning up a breeze, and with such a small footprint, the Brentwood stores easily in any home, apartment, or dorm. If gifting this cooker, be sure to include an oven mitt or towels to handle the hot exterior while cooking. Although not ideal, we think having to use a towel is well worth the modest $22 you will spend. Capacity, 1.5 quarts. Dimensions, 9-inch DX 9W X 6.8H inches, dishwasher safe, yes. Number 5. GreenLife Cook Duo Slow Cooker. The GreenLife Cook Duo, featuring a ceramic insert made from sand, had impressive heat distribution during each of my tests, and the large interior is ready to cook for a crowd. The insert worked well on the stovetop for searing or browning meats, and it is oven safe as well. GreenLife's brand features whimsical color options, and this cooker is no exception, available in standard black and white, in addition to 6 bright colors from lavender to sunshine yellow. With all the standard features, high, low and warm, the GreenLife also has a delay timer option, which I liked when preparing meals with shorter cook times, even when my time away was long. For fans of environmentally friendly options, the GreenLife is a terrific cooker with a wallet-friendly price point. Capacity, 6 quarts. Dimensions, 15.28-inch DX 11.1W X 10.04H, dishwasher safe, yes.